So as you can see, now the keyboard is finished. I think it's a quiet looker, and just now I will explain why I choose this color, because it's quite crazy, I know, but why I choose this color instead of any other colors that I might choose. Okay, it's time to reveal the truth why I choose this color for the keyboard and case. I haven't decided the color for the mouse yet, but it was because this monitor, this is Acer Ferrari, it's 20-inch, it's from 2011, and in 2011 I couldn't afford it, so that's why I never bought it. But just now I get it for almost no money. Of course, it needed to be repaired, need to be exchanged the power source, and it needed to be repaired the high voltage cables and so on. But this was quite easy job. So that's why I decided to paint the case by like Ferrari yellow, because you can see it's matching sort of the Ferrari logo, as you can see. And just now I am deciding what to put inside the case, which CPU, processor unit, and so on. So next video will be quite more interesting, because I get a dozen of graphic cards from PCI Express, from low cost to a little bit higher cost. My maximum spread is to graphic cards to up to 3 gigabytes, and I'm meaning HD 7990. I would like to perform some gaming on it and compare it with low-cost cards with lower money and some tips and so on. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video. So don't forget to subscribe, because this is the motivation for me to make more videos. And thank you for watching, and see you. Bye. In the next video, I will show you 3 graphics cards from Scrapyard: Voodoo 3 2000, 3D Lab Supermedia, and S3 Verge GX2. So these cards were found on the Scrapyard. I never tested them, and I don't know if they are working or not, but this awaits in the next video.